Hey, welcome guys! I am so glad you guys are here, and today I'm gonna do something a little different. Today I'm gonna share 5 things that it could enrich your life without spending a penny. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Number 1. You guessed it. If you know me well, personally, you would know that I'm a lifelong learner and I'm always studying. So one of the things I do really love is Libby. I live in New York, especially. New York Public Library has so much content. Like, it's insane. And these are like very highly updated. Every I think, I don't know, every day, every week. It's very good. New York is kind of gross. I don't know if it's like everywhere, but like just I don't wanna bring a public library book on my bed. That just grosses me out. To avoid that, I'm like religious on my Kindle to read ebooks, but they started this app called Libby where you could listen to audio. So some of the stuff is already even on the ones on you know, Audible app or any apps that you could think of. So I like to listen to them via audiobook, and you know, girls on a tight budget, believe it or not, and I use Libby. Libby is absolutely free. Another thing I love is TED Talks, or video version of books. Is that right? Okay. I think TED Talks are really expensive to attend, but even if you get an access to just be like watching it via YouTube or their website, I think it's wonderful. And why not take advantage of what's available to you? If you don't have time to watch really long hours, there's also 15-minute ones. Like, there's a section literally like 15-minute or like short version on their website. So I highly encourage that you check it out. That's very important. Coffee break. One of the things that I love more than just learning is also exercising, and it can get expensive if you're like flat broke. Like, we're talking college broke or college student loan debt broke, and it's even hard for you to spend. Like, there are a few like awesome things that you could do at home. One of the things being actually is blogilates. Cassie Ho is amazing. Sometimes, actually most of the time, it's really hard to follow. Most of the time I'm just like, oh my god, this is so hard. But she works out with you. It feels like you're in a class. There are times where I was like on a time crunch, or I was traveling, then I would download her app, and her app is also amazing. So like, you could look through, I want to focus on, and like she has like 3-minute ones, 5-minute ones, 10-minute ones, and like longer ones. There's ones that you don't have to jump. Highly recommend it. Number 4, don't skip this one because it's extremely important. You know, you have like so many things, like you learn so many things, and you exercise, you meet people, you spend so much time out there, right? And then like you get everything done, you know, like build yourself up. But then if you don't have time for yourself, this is all waste. Because just like food, right? Once you eat, you need time to digest. So I think it's a digesting process for you to learn things outside and then make it your own. Like, you need, you know, I don't know, whatever works for you, but for me, you know, like just staring at the air, thinking through things helps me a lot. For some people, it's journaling to clear the thoughts out. I do more of like a bullet journaling, or like point forms. It helps me remember and do notes. I mean, even right now, I planned for this clip and help me to focus and go through all the things that I want to say, or maybe there are things that you want to improve, and that's maybe a note you could say to yourself or to put on yourself. And all of these things do help a lot more than you think it would. So I would say keep going, like just keep giving yourself time. absolutely have no time for yourself, like just life is so much, like you're studying and going to and working, and like you have babies, and just if you have all that, then at least have shower to yourself. So try to like calm down in the shower instead of rushing it. See if you could do extra 5 minutes. Just like guys, I just like baths. It helps me, like even if I have music on, like a jazz music, slow jazz music, where I feel like the bubbles and jazz music is kind of like correlated for some weird reason. I don't know, but those help me a lot. I really love jazz music, and I like instrumental, so I'm not singing along or paying so much attention to the music, but it's like a really good background noise, and I could just like listen, you know, to jazz, and you know, enjoy the bubble bath, the warm bath, and think about life. You know, what do I want to do next? What kind of person do I want to be? You know, what kind of video clips do I want to make? What do I stand for? And what can I improve? What did I do in my life that I would like to change from now on? You can't change the past, you can change the future, right? So, or you can plan things better if you failed before. And I honestly believe that this is something that we all could work on. And no matter what age you are or how long you lived, you might not love everything that you did before. I mean, people make mistakes, right? And instead of like just being so damaged and just constantly telling yourself that shoot, I failed, oh my god, what am I gonna do? I'm like such a mess, I can't pick it up anymore. Instead of doing that, what if we just like kind of took a moment and I'm like, how can I improve that next time? Because there'll always be a next time. Honestly, strongly believe that there are next times. So for the next times, you could prepare. To my final points. Number 5. Okay, just wanted to be dramatic. Okay, Google Drive. Those of you who do not know, if you have a Gmail account, which is a free email, you can sign up for Google Drive. It has decent amount of memory where, I mean, this is how I transfer my photos with my friends, especially if we, or like brands, if I work with brands. So I freaking love, I just like love Google Drive because I can make folders, you know. I also have some of my favorite workout videos uploaded on Google Drive, so I can like use it on the go if there's no internet. I think, yeah, I think you can download it too. I'm not 100% sure about that, but you could download files for sure. So Google Drive could hold, you know, those like Microsoft Office, any like spreadsheet, Word, and you know, other tools, it's on there. So if you're on the go, or if you always need spreadsheet on the go, it's always good. If you have like people you want to share with and put comments, it works that way too. It always automatically saves itself as long as there's Wi-Fi or internet connection. So that's it for me. Hope you really liked this video. Thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel for further videos. And oh, don't forget, comment down below and let me know what you do. Let me know what you do that's free to enrich your life. I would love to hear about it. So, till then, until next time, bye!